Welcome to the majestic new offerings at the Willows of Willow Point. 29 spectacular level home sites adorning the crown jewel of Lake Martin. These premier home sites feature ample shoreline and open water views, perfect for building a dream home getaway. This new offering at the Willows simply must be seen to be believed. Heralded as an Alabama treasure, Lake Martin is renowned for its water clarity and mature forested shorelines. At Russell Lands on Lake Martin, we've been carefully creating lakefront memories for nearly 100 years. The beauty of Lake Martin and home ownership opportunities is unrivaled by any other lake in the Southeast. Enjoy all the excellent amenities that are conveniently located near the Willows, including Russell Crossroads, Catherine's Market, Spring House, Kalijah Restaurant, The Stables, and Russell Forest Trails. And the prestigious member-only Willow Point Golf and Country Club is just a stone's throw away. Investment opportunities like these only come around once in a lifetime. Don't miss your opportunity to own a piece of paradise.